you know why you're always sad every time you grow an onion, my mom told me. Because there used to be sisters. Can I tell you a story?
Yeah.
There used to be sisters called bawang and kasuno. Bawang is the onion and kasuno is the garlic. Onion is the older sister, so she used to do all the work, and Kasuna, the white, she's done nothing but to pamper herself. Like one day, the mother went to the market, so the mother said, "Okay, 2 girls, you have to do work today. If you do good job, I give you a treat. I'll buy you some cakes and new stuff from the market." And the mother said to the onions, "What do you want?" And I said, "That's fine, mommy. As long as you bring home food, I'll be fine." So the second one, "Oh, I need a new clothes and blah blah blah. I need everything new." So the mother went. So the big sisters basically do everything, starting from getting the paddy out to the yard, and then pounding it, get the seeds out. And then dry it in the sun, and basically pounding to get the husk of the rice. So basically done everything, cleaned the house, and then went to the river. This is cutting the story short. And every time she asked her sister to help, "Okay, you do that part, I'll do the other part. You do that part, I'll do the other part." It's all the same, answers. So a bawang being such a nice girl, I may as well do it. It's just easier than waiting for Kasuna to do it. And then the mother came home, and then still one part that the onion left behind was putting the rabbits inside into the chuk, but then because that Kasuna said, "Make sure that I'll do that because you done everything. I haven't done anything. I'll do that." So Onion said, "Okay, I'll leave you that." She went to the river, washed her clothes and everything. She's been dirty. She's doing all the work herself. And when Kasuna hear her mom coming, the garlic hear her mom coming, she said she just throw herself into all these husks and start crying, pretend that she did all the work and the big sister never done anything. So the sad thing was, poor Onion getting beat up and getting kicked out of the house. So it's very sad, because she's so nice and soft, you feel her sadness. And again, it's a positive story. It's because it's a good karma. In most of Asian stories, there's always karma coming with story.
Yeah, that's right.
And the karma is, because Onion's done such a good job. She fell asleep under the tree, big tree, and then there's a magical bird. We don't have fairies, we have birds. And the magical fairy told us, he said, wake up, little one. Why are you sleeping here? And Onion said, "Oh, life take a really bad turn for me. Nothing that I do is right. Well, because you look so sad, I'll give you a treat. You can ask for, whatever you want. But I just want a home." And then he said, the bird said, "Okay, can you sing for me? Can you sing for me? I'll give you a home."
Yeah.
And so basically, there's a song from come along, I'm not going to start singing. And basically, the bird bless her with all these jewelry and everything, and bring her to her grandmother.
Oh.